Good afternoon, students. This is Pushpendra Yadav, Physical Health Education teacher in TM International School. Today, we are going to perform Surya Namaskar or Sun Salutation. So, students, Surya Namaskar is a set of 12 asanas. Now, inter-house competition depends on good posture, synchronization, and the presentation, and it should be with the names of asanas. So let's begin to perform Surya Namaskar. Here we go. So students, now we will start our first asana, Pranam Asana. Stand at the end of your mat, keep your feet together and distribute your weight on your both feet equally. Open your chest and just relax your shoulders. Breathe in and lift both your arms up. Practicing Surya Namaskar every day will make your mind and body healthy and fit. Now our second asana, Hastatanasana. Breathe in and lift your arms up and back. And make sure that your biceps are close to your ears. Make effort to stretch your whole body starting from the heels up to the fingertips. Yoga is all about mind and body connection. Now the next asana is Padasana, in which breathing out and bend forward from your waist while keeping your spine straight. Exhale and completely bring your hands down to the floor beside your feet. In every yoga posture, breathing is utmost important. So control your movement with your breath. Okay, our fourth asana is Ashwa Sanchalan Asana. Ashwa Sanchalan Asana, breathe in and push your right leg as far back as possible. Bring your right knee to the floor and slowly look up. Breathe in and take your left leg back. Bring your whole body in a straight line. This is Dandasana. And make sure to keep your arms erect to the floor. Now gradually bring your knees down to the floor, then exhale. Slightly take your hips back and slide forward. Relax your chest and chin on the ground. Elevate your posture a little bit. We are doing this Ashtanga Namaskar. We have to salute with 8 parts or 8 points of our body. Now this asana is Bhujanga Asana. Slide forward and raise your chest up into the Cobra pose. Keep your elbows bent and fixed in this pose. Keep your shoulders away from your ears. Slowly look up. Next posture is Mountain Pose, Parvat Asana. In this, breathe out and lift your hips as well as your tailbone up. Put your chest downwards to create an inverted V pose. Next is Ashwa Sanchalan Asana. Breathe in and bring your right foot forward in between the two hands. Knee down to the ground. Press your hips down, then look up. Next pose is Hasta Padasana, hand to foot pose. In this, breathe out and bring your left foot forward. Keep your palms on the ground. In this pose, you can bend your knees if you feel some discomfort. Next asana is Hastotthasana, raised arm pose. Breathe in and roll your spine up. Make your hands go up and bend backwards a little bit. Push your hips slightly outward. Now the last asana is Tadasana, standing mountain pose. Exhale and first straighten your body, then bring your arms down. This was the Surya Namaskar. So let's do all the asanas of Surya Namaskar. Let's do this. The practice of this asana has a great energizing effect on the body, pran and mind. In the Vedic tradition, the sun is symbolic of consciousness and therefore sun is worshipped daily in the Indian culture. Ideally, it is best to do in the morning during sunrise on an empty stomach, preferably before 6 am, facing the rising sun in any open area from where you can get fresh air. So kids, start practicing with the empty stomach and the right breathing technique. Thank you so much.